First, go to your domain name /cPanel and log in. Under Database, select MySQL Database Wizard. Step 1, enter a database name. Step 2, create a database user and password. Step 3, assign the user to the database. Remember to select all privilege. Click on MultiPHP Manager. Select the checkbox on your domain name. Under PHP version drop-down, make sure to select the latest version. Click Apply and wait for it to update. Now click on MultiPHP INI Editor. Select your domain name to change the settings. The on-screen values are our preferred settings. You may change to your own preference. Once all the changes are done, just click Apply. Click on the editor mode to double confirm that all the changes are reflected. That's it. You've successfully set up the database in PHP. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. In the meantime, you can watch this video,